Where's Zella? Where's Zella? Do you want to give her a kiss? Want to give Zella a kiss? Zella, would you give your brother a kiss? Zachary, give her a kiss. Where's Zella? Oh, Zella, he wants a kiss. He's looking for you. Oh, look at him, Zella. He's looking for you. One quick kiss and then I'll help you. I'll help you. Come on. Quick kiss for Zachary. Oh, let's see if he's happy. Do you think it may... Oh, he's so happy. Oh, he said another kiss. Daddy, would you come give Zachary a kiss? He's looking for kisses. Come on, Daddy.
Zachary?
Dad, how about a kiss from Mommy? Can I get a kiss, Zachary? Zach, I'm the only one he won't kiss. He's mad at me. Zachary, can I get do you want another kiss from Zella? Yeah, Zella, he said he wants another kiss. He's looking for you. Look at that face. Give him a kiss on the lips. Give him a big smacker. Oh, Zella. Oh, he's so happy. Give him one more kiss on the lips. Oh, Zella, you made him so happy. Kisses. Okay, Zachary, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Clap. I'll help you, Zella. Oh, he wants one more kiss, though. Look at him. Look at him. Get it. Look, Zella, one more kiss. Oh, he wants one more. Oh, look at him. He's going. Oh, he said please. Oh, he said Zella. Okay. Okay, Zachary, I'm going to get you out, okay? How do we say out? Zachary, out? Out? Okay.